Hey, I'm back today to share with you one of my favorites this fall winter catalog. Okay, so this is called the Ultimate Organizing Tote, and you guys, when you see this, you're going to die. It is really the ultimate organizing tote. Now, how can you get your hands on this bag? Well, all you have to do is host a party. Host with me and you can get your hands on this. Now, when you host a qualifying party, you earn free credits, half price items, insider exclusives, and you also have the ability to earn our monthly hostess special. So this is available for our fall winter catalog this season in 2020, and I am so excited about it. I think it's my favorite. We have 6 to choose from, and I think this is my favorite. Now, if you decide that you want to host, what does that mean? So what it means is I get you on my calendar, I get you a shopping link to share with your friends and your family, and if you decide to do an online party with me on Facebook, I do bingo parties. They are so fun. My hostesses love them, my guests love them, and I love them. They're a lot of fun. So anyways, when you host a qualifying party, it's at least $200 in orders, which is about an average of 4 to 5 people placing an order. But my hostesses, our minimum party total is a $500 party because you get to double your hostess insider rewards that way. So we strive and we get to that $500 mark. That's where you get the most for your hosting time. Okay, so this is called the Ultimate Organizing Tote. I'm telling you guys, it is awesome. Now it comes in 2 different prints. Excuse me. This is the charcoal print. As you can tell, I have this or that, this and that personalized on here. And you're like, why is she showing us this? What in the world? Okay, so it's so awesome, you guys. All right, so you got a pocket right here. This is our signature cell phone pocket, so you'll never lose your cell phone in this awesome bag. You'll also see a zipper down here at the bottom, just like this. And what this does is it's a place to go over your luggage, okay? So this season, we also have a 31 rolling duffel. This is called the Wheels to Wander duffel. And you see the wheels just like this. So your ultimate organizing tote can actually slide over your luggage just like this. How awesome is that? So you can have your rolling luggage that way. I'm gonna do a video and I will link it above with all of the insider exclusives all in one video. So I'll definitely share that with you guys. Okay, so like I said, the back is awesome. The front has a huge place for personalization. I did mine in the platinum thread color and black here. Okay, so when you look at it from this way, from the inside, you'll see there's 3 zippers. You've got 1 zipper here, 1 zipper in the middle, and then there's actually a zipper right there in that corner. All right, just so this one's facing you, I'm gonna show you this zipper here. Now this is a thermal lined pouch. How awesome is that? A thermal lined pouch. So you could put your lunch in here. If you're using this for your work bag or your teacher bag, you could put your lunch in here. I think that is so cool. Okay, and then I'm gonna flip it around and y'all will see this zipper over here. So you can see this is a zipper pocket here as well, and it's padded on this side. So this is a great place to store my 15-inch laptop, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside of here. So I'm going to put it in longitudinal like that, and you can see it fits in like that, but it wouldn't quite zip up. So if you lay it the other way, just like this, you can see what it looks like on the inside. So I would say this could hold probably like a 17-inch laptop as far as going this way. So a nice place to put your laptop there. Okay, and let me show you the middle section here. So I'm gonna unzip it here, and you can see like this inside is huge. It holds so much. So, I mean, I was thinking this would be a great carry-on bag. When I fly, I like to keep my laptop with me. And I like to keep like my hanging traveler case with me, and then my glamour case for, you know, for makeup and things like that, because that's the stuff, like if my bag gets lost, I need this stuff with me, right? So I have it paired on the inside with our hanging traveler case, and then also our glamour case as well. So like I said, the inside is so roomy, but this would be great for teachers, for people who are carrying things back and forth, or maybe maybe someone who runs their business out of their car. So I've taken my, this is my fold and file from my desk, and I just want to show you that your fold and file can fit in here, just like this. Your fold and file fits in there. It can still zip closed. Zip it closed just like that. And my laptop's in here, and my lunch can be in here. Like, this is the ultimate organizing tote. That's what it's called. So I hope that you guys will consider hosting with me this fall and winter. I am booking parties all the time, and I would love to host with you and share 31 with you, as well as your friends and your family. So if you do not have a consultant, I'd love to be your girl. So I'm going to link below my VIP group on Facebook, okay? So just click on that link and request to join. I'll ask you 2 questions. So make sure you answer those 2 questions. And then I'm going to send you a private message. So make sure that you check that message request folder. Sometimes it'll go to your spam folder. So check those folders for that reply back from me, and hopefully we'll get you added to my VIP group and get you added on my calendar to host a party with me to get your hands on this ultimate organizing tote. All right, you guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already so you don't miss any of my product videos. Got lots more coming your way. And share this video with your friends and your family. Maybe you may not be interested in hosting, but you know someone who is. Or maybe you're interested in this little bag gig that I have and you'd like to make a little extra money. Maybe you are trying to pay off some debt, or you just want to spend more time with your family. Let's chat. I'd love to share the 31 opportunity with you. So I'll see y'all soon. Bye.